Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Today we are going to look at PR Rage 2.0. This is a launch going live July 19th at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, New York time, and it is being launched by Walt Bayless. I have demo access. I'm going to show you what it is, but in a nutshell, PR 2.0 Rage is, PR Rage 2.0 is buying and flipping domain names, okay? So, of course, we've all heard of buying and flipping homes, and you can even rent these domain names out as well. And we've heard of course, renting homes, but maybe you've never really heard of buying and flipping or renting domain names. So there is a lot of money to be made in this, guys. You can buy these for as low as $10 and make thousands and thousands on just one of these. So if you don't believe me, guys, let me just take you over here. So the most expensive domain names, the top 10 domain names of all time: 345 million, 90 million, 49.7 million, 35.6 million, 35 million, 30.1 million, 30 million, 18 million, 17 million, 16 million, just for a domain, you guys. So there is a lot of potential here to buy and flip and make a lot of money. So guys, let me take you first here to my bonus page. We can learn a little bit more about PR Rage 2.0. We're going to look at the demos. I'm also going to give you some bonuses that are going to really complement this product as well. So guys, this bonus page stays up until Thursday, July 22nd. So you still got a few days. And PR Rage 2.0 is a powerful software that grabs high value domains for pennies on the dollar that you can flip for upfront and recurring profits. So you get high page bank domains that Google loves for pennies on the dollar, rated by age, backlinks, traffic, social signals, and value. It's cloud-based, so you don't have to worry about downloading anything. It's going to run on anything that you have, Mac, PC, etc. It's got proven strategies. Domain flippers are building six-figure-a-month businesses using the techniques that PR Rage 2.0 does for you automatically. So I'm going to show you. You can just set it, and while you're sleeping, doing whatever you want, while you're working, whatever, it is going to be searching for you, and it's going to be giving you updates when they find something that meets your criteria. So set and forget. Default where was I? Proven strategies, domain flippers, the best techniques that PR Rage 2.0 does for you automatically. Fast 20 hours of manual research done in less than 20 seconds. Filtered by only high value, older than or greater than traffic numbers, and so much more. So you can set and forget. It's easy shortlisting. Collect and watch your favorite domains. One-click purchase integrates seamlessly with the biggest domain markets on the planet. GoDaddy and SEDO. Includes 3 exclusive training videos, so you're going to know exactly how to use this. Also, after the demo, you're going to get a good understanding of how to use it. No experience or technical knowledge required. PR Rage 2.0 does it all for you, guys. So before we go in the price funnel here, this is a sales video that you can watch on your own time. Okay, it's going to be here in my bonus page that you can click down in the link and you can watch again at your leisure. Okay, but my first demo for you is Easy Money Key. So guys, this is going to help you once you start to get, if you want to learn to get another way to make some money is CPA, that's cost per acquisition. Okay, so when you can start getting a bit of an email base, network CPAs are going to contact you and ask you if you can get your traffic to perform some simple tasks like enter their email, maybe their phone number, or maybe perform a short survey. They're not going to be paying any money, and by them doing that, you can collect 50 cents all the way to $2 per each customer that you have to do that. So this is going to show you how you can make a lot of money on autopilot. Similar to this PR Rage 2.0, you can make money just sitting on some domains. This is also how you can make some money on autopilot, okay? So this is going to show you how you can do that and how you can use these underground sources that, when in combination with the CPA, provides a very powerful system to make money. Okay, another way that you can make money, so I've tried to gear these bonuses in ways to help you make money, okay? Because this product, PRH 2.0, is all about making money as well. So I'm trying to think, well, what other ways can I help you also make money? And of course, we carry our phone everywhere with us now. So why not help make your phone work for you? This are some strategies where you can make triple digits a day just with your phone. So it's going to show you very easy a walkthrough on how other people are doing this. Why not you? I'm sure you have your phone on you right now. So this is going to show you how you can also do that while you're getting these great domains for cheap as well. Okay, and another bonus I have is how to make $2,000 in half an hour with Facebook. So this is basically a case study, how you can use the free branding, the free resources of Facebook to branch out to, honestly, 2.8 billion people or so, how you can utilize this tool to help you make money. And of course, Facebook is free, right? So it's going to show you step by step. Maybe you can start out with making a page, how you can go to other people's pages in similar niches, and then you can get to know them, add friends, create some simple posts. And this is a very powerful and free method to make a lot of good money. You can do this. This one is $2,000 in half an hour. Okay, and the big profits from secret ad hack. So guys, this is going to show you how you can make a lot of money in this just a little tweak here, and it's sort of like just a simple little hack that you're going to learn how to make big profits from this secret ad hack, guys. So it's going to walk you through, and if you follow the same methodology, you can also do the same as a way of saying thank you from me to you for using my link. And if you just click on any of these yellow links, it's going to take you to my bonus page here. Okay, it's very, very simple. And then you can get the PR 2.0 Rage, the PR Rage 2.0. Also, you're going to get all of my bonuses here, and also the vendors bonuses as well, guys, as a way of saying thank you to you. And finally, the vendors bonuses. Okay, but enough about that, guys. Let's now take a look at the page here. Okay, so when you log in, you're going to have this come up. You're going to have get started or tutorials. So I'm just going to say get started. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the dashboard, and we've got the search domain. So anything you want to search for is right up here. We've got all this up here: related domains, saved searches, shortlist, profile, tutorials, support, log out. So guys, I just did a search. I'll type it in and back in a minute, but it was all about health. Okay, so I just went in like this: health and search. So what you're going to notice here are these are the big search engines that are also that is scanning. So you're getting Google looking at it, Yahoo, Amazon, and Bing. All right. So if I just go down here, you can automatically, the first one you can see is $12 with a valuation of $679. If we go down a bit more, this one's at $12 with a value of almost $1,100, guys. So you could buy it for 12 bucks and you could flip it for essentially 1,100 bucks. 12 bucks, 1,400. 12 bucks, 1,000. 12 bucks, 1,100. 12 bucks, almost 1,100, and so on and so forth. 12 bucks, almost $1,600, guys. And that's just one keyword that I put in. So what you can do, if you like any of these, you can go look in the details here. Okay, so you can bid on it. Here's the price. You can see, now you can look at similar related domains as well, guys. So you can get an idea as well. So some of these might be asking a lot of money, but the related domains might be very, very similar, but way less money. Okay, you'll see an example of this in the demo video that you can access. Okay, so guys, also you can make a short list. So for example, if I just wanted to go through here, I want to shortlist this one. Here's one, a short list, and here's another good one, short list, so on and so forth. Okay, so if I go up here on short lists, it's got all of them here, guys. So I can purchase the domain, I can buy it now. All right, I can delete that if I want. All right, join GoDaddy. No, I don't want to do that. All right, so you can see This is going to store everything for you guys, okay? If you want to purchase it, you just click right here. Also, oops, put that back in. Also, guys, you can customize your setting, your parameters. So you can include, for example, you just want .com, or you want domain age. You can set it to any duration you want. All types, buy now, offer, bid, only with traffic, only with letters, only with hyphens, and you can put your price in here, and you can set it, and then it can just work on autopilot where you're doing whatever it is that you want to do. Even while you're sleeping, whatever, it's going to start cranking this out to you, and it's going to message you when they find something that meets your criteria, guys. So there seems to be a lot of potential in buying and flipping and buying and renting these domains. Okay, guys, so I'm going to take you to the sales page here. So again, this is just a sales video that you can watch on your own time. That's going to be in my description down below, my YouTube description. So here are some of the main points. These are all in my bonus as well that you can read at your own leisure. We have some testimonials here that you can watch on your own time. It's a fairly lengthy sales page, so I'm just going to show you some of the key features here, guys. So you can see $9, $9.16, $12, $8.17, $10, $5.25, so on and so forth that we just saw with health even. And you can pick in any niche that you want, right? $5, $1,000, $122. Here's some more testimonials. This is Walt Bayless. He is the launcher of this product. And here is the demo video that is also going to be in my bonus page description. Okay, so from 2019, here's some of the big ones that have made a lot of money. So voice.com, California nursing. So look, 30 million, 3 million, 950,000, all the way down, guys. Great, great money. And for 2020, so OA.com, 151. Imagine that, 151, such a simple number. You could sell it for almost $500,000. Incredible. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm going to get to the bonuses that they're offering. So you can find, flip, and profit. And again, if you want to do that manually, it's going to take you a lot of time. More testimonials. All right, guys, so here are the bonuses being offered by Walt. So bonus number 1 is the Upgrade Unlimited. Okay, bonus number 2, the 6-Figure Domain Academy. Bonus number 3, 6-Figure Domain Strategy with webinars. Okay, bonus number 4, ongoing discount for related domains. So total value of almost $1,200, and you also get a 30-day money back guarantee, guys. So let's go back to my bonus page up at the top. So guys, you got 3 days like we said. Now here's the funnel. So the front end is going to be $67 from 11 a.m. It's a one-time cost, no monthly fees or anything like that. Okay, and the one-time offer, a cost of $47, is the brand new domain management system that allows people to have fully hosted for sale or for rent templates on their domains. So host, easy to sell or rent for passive income. No hosting or setup required. Launch is a one-time pricing for unlimited domains. And upsell number 2, our incredible content system. Content Artemis plus hot domains is a match made in heaven. Grab high value domains and then fill full hot hot auto content for ranking and traffic. Upsell number 3 are the reseller rights, guys. So the one-time cost of $197. So the purchasers will have the rights to resell the PR Rage software for 100%. commissions, plus they get bonus credits they can use to give away copies. So if this is a product that you've bought and you really enjoy it, you want to resell it to other people, you get 100% of the commissions as a way of doing that, guys. So just to summarize, guys, you get 3 exclusive training videos, no experience or technical knowledge required. Domain flippers are building 6-figure a month businesses using these techniques. 20 hours of manual research done in less than 20 seconds. You saw how easy it was when I did it. I just typed in health and we saw tons of videos that wanted, or domains rather, that wanted $12, and they were upwards of almost $1,600 asking price. So you can buy these, sit on it, sell them. You can rent them out for businesses that want to use your domains. Really, you can just go for broke here, and you can get a bunch for very cheap, and one of these or many of these might make you rich. Okay, and it's all with a 30 back money guarantee. Also, you're going to get my bonuses, the easy money key, the triple digits daily from your phone, the $2,000 in half an hour with Facebook, and the big profits from secret ad hacks like squeeze pages, funnel pages, thank you pages, and more dynamite things inside here to help you make money. And you're going to get those bonuses by Walt and his team as well, guys. And of course, you should watch this demo when you have free time. You're just going to learn a little bit more about it, some of the other features. And this concludes my review on PR Rage 2.0. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was worth your while, that you learned something from it. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you did. And I will be back very shortly with more great reviews. This is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips signing off. Thank you.